Hi, welcome back. This is Jennifer Scrapping Kane. Today I'm sharing an 11 by 8.5 layout using 49 and Market Echoes of Time, which is part of the Flavors of the Month kit for this month, January, from the Scraproom. All right, guys, I hope this works. I've never done a voiceover like this before, but I'm going to go ahead and try since it is a design team project. And I really want to show you the layout and show you how I created it. Even though I no longer have the video footage, it was corrupt. So I'm not able to do the video footage the way that I usually would. I'm going to hold up the layout, show you a little bit close-ups. As you can see, there's ink up here. So what I did was tear the paper and then I inked it up. And then I wanted the diamond paper to be in the background of it. This large piece here is one of the ephemera pieces. And then this is one of the laser cuts, so I layered those up. I put the little photo over here, the 2x3, along with the tag. I tore it, I inked it up to add a little bit more distress in like layers. I love adding layers with 49 and Market. I tucked in a little clock over here, gears over here, and then there's a butterfly up here, another butterfly over here, this little love tag up here above the photo. The photo is popped up on play foam. And then I have more gears over here, another little, I keep wanting to call it a stopwatch. It's a pocket watch. And then the Stitch in Time is my main title. Then there's another one over here. They're kind of the same size, so I guess either one could be the title. Moments like these. Um, I love these beautiful flowers in this background paper, so I wanted to make sure that when I tore it, you were able to see those flowers. This is the back side, which is that diamond paper. So what I did is I just tore it and then I was able to still use it on the front also. But I love the way that this layout turned out, and I'm so sorry that the video footage was deleted or corrupt. I'm not sure what happened to it, but I wasn't able to use it. So here it is. I will have a few close-ups, and hopefully that is good enough for this time around. I will have two more layouts throughout the month using this collection, and those ones should be videos. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for coming by, and I will leave links down below to my channel since that is where the other um, layouts that I will create in the month will be posted. And this one here is for the scrap room. I will leave links to the scrap room so you can check out the flavors of the month kits. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.